Right now, there's a niche on YouTube getting hundreds of thousands of views with videos like this. Tiny forest people, relaxing vibes, cozy storytelling, and most of these channels are completely faceless. Some of these videos are pulling 100,000, 300,000, even close to 1 million views, and they're not even that complex. So I wanted to test something. What if we recreate this exact style using AI but faster, better, and with full control? In this video, I'll show you how to make videos like this step by step using Higgsfield Seedance 2.0 from idea to final result. Alright, so to do this, we're going to use Higgsfield AI, specifically Seedance 2.0. This is one of the most advanced tools right now for AI video generation, especially if you want consistent characters and multi-shot storytelling like in these videos. I'll show you the full workflow directly on the Higgsfield website, from prompt to final result. Now, quick thing before we start. To access Seedance 2.0, you need a business email and the team plan on Higgsfield. And also, it's currently not available in the US and Japan. Just keep that in mind. Alright, let's jump in and start creating. Now let's move on to creating the video. We'll make text-to-video AI, and I'll show you how to properly make videos in Seedance 2.0 on Higgsfield. We click here, and it takes us to the video creation page. Let's quickly go through the settings. Here you can upload your own video, add an image, or even include audio if you want. In my case, I'll be using text to create the video. For the style, I'll choose General. The model is Seedance 2.0. The duration can be set anywhere from 4 seconds up to 15 seconds. I'll go with 15 seconds, I think that's perfect. For aspect ratio, since we're making horizontal videos, I'll choose 16:9. And for quality, I recommend using 720p. Now the most important part, the prompt. You can create videos without audio, but I recommend enabling it. It usually makes the result better. Your prompts need to be high quality. Try to come up with your own story, especially in this niche, a forest atmosphere and what's happening inside it. This is very important, because in this niche, everything depends on your idea and storytelling. I write my prompts myself, because every scene should be original. So my first prompt is for the first scene, showing a forest and a small, cozy town inside it. Since the video is 15 seconds long, you can describe quite a lot, and Seedance 2.0 will generate a smooth animation. After writing the prompt, we click Generate and wait. It doesn't take long. While it's generating, quick tip, for better results, always describe the characters, the environment, and what exactly is happening. This helps the AI understand your idea much better. Alright, our first generation is ready. Let's take a look. This is how you can create a multi-shot AI video with consistent characters using Seedance 2.0. This looks amazing. You can clearly see the quality. Honestly, Seedance 2.0 is one of the most advanced AI video generation tools right now. Let's download the first video. You can also regenerate, change something, or share your work with the community. Now we write the second prompt for the next scene, continuing the story. As soon as it's ready, we generate again. Quickly, I'll explain my storyline. In a cozy forest, there are small creatures, insects, elves, and fantasy characters. They live peacefully and build their town together. But suddenly something goes wrong. A strange wind spreads a disease through the forest. They come together to solve the problem, and eventually they save the forest and celebrate at the end. Alright, the second scene is ready, and it looks great. Now we write the third prompt and go deeper into the town. Look at this. The result is really impressive. Personally, I'm really glad this tool exists. I haven't seen anything like this before. What do you think? Let me know your opinion about Seedance 2.0 in the comments. Now we just continue creating scenes in chronological order until the final result. And one more important tip. Try to write your prompts in a way that keeps your characters consistent. For example, if you create an elf, it should look the same across all scenes. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. At this point, I've almost finished. I only have 2 final scenes left. One where they cure the forest, and the final one where they celebrate their victory. I ended up with 15 animations. Make sure to download all your clips. Now I'll show you the final result created with Seedance 2.0, and we'll take a look. Alright, so this is the final result. As you can see, this is a full multi-shot AI video created using Higgsfield AI with Seedance 2.0. All the scenes are connected, the characters stay consistent, and the overall story flows naturally from start to finish. This is what makes Seedance 2.0 so powerful for AI video generation and text to video AI workflows. You can go from a simple idea to a complete story with multiple scenes. You can use this for storytelling content, YouTube videos, or even social media clips. If you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description and try Seedance 2.0 for yourself. Also, if you want to experiment more, you can try different prompts, styles, and ideas. Seedance 2.0 gives you a lot of flexibility when creating your own content. And you can create anything from a short cartoon to a dynamic action movie. That's all. I showed you how to create a viral niche from scratch using Higgsfield AI and Seedance 2.0. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with the latest trends. Check the link in the description to try Seedance 2.0 for yourself. See you soon.